Hello everyone. Our subject is investment banking and financial service. So we've already discussed about the leasing, clear types of lease and advantage and disadvantage of lease. So generally our today we are going to start about the hire purchase. So what is the basic difference between leasing and hire purchase? So in leasing, I repeat, there are two parties, that is leaser and leasing. Leaser is considered as the owner of the asset and leasee is considered as a user of the asset. So generally leaser have to provide asset to the leasee. In return, leasee have to pay periodic rent to the leaser. So in hire purchase also it is agreement between two parties, that is hiree and hirer. Hiree is considered as the owner of the asset, owner of the goods, and hirer, which is considered as a user of the goods, buyer of the goods. Clear? So what is the basic difference between the lease and hire purchase? So in lease agreement, generally ownership is never transferred. Title, clear, legal title, or you can say ownership is never transferred. But in hire purchase, ownership can be transferred to the buyer, to the hirer, when hirer pay the last installment or the full installment. So let's start with the very first one. Today we are going to discuss, that is the meaning of hire purchase, features of hire purchase, and most importantly difference between lease and hire purchase. Clear? So let's start with the very first one, concept and features of the hire purchase. So hire purchase is an agreement. Clear? So generally hire purchase is one kind of agreement between two parties, that is owner of the goods. Clear? Here is owner of the goods એટલે કોણ થશે? Seller. So here is, which is also known as hiree. Clear? So here is owner of the goods. There are two party in hire purchase, means you have to take an asset or goods on rent basis. Clear? Same way lease agreement. So in lease ownership is never transferred, but in hire purchase option should be provided to the buyer. When buyer pay last installment, then options should be provided to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. Clear? So hire purchase is an agreement between two parties, that is hirer and hiree. So here is hiree means owner of the asset lets the good on hire to hirer, which is to be sold to hirer on future date. So generally options should be provided that you, when you pay last installment, clear, options should be provided, you have to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. In short, તમે જ્યારે full installment કે last installment pay કરી દો ત્યારે તમને ઓપ્શન આપવામાં આવે if you want to purchase and become owner of the asset. So generally title નો meaning શું થશે? Ownership is passed to the hirer on the payment of the last installment. First we clarify, hiree means owner of the goods and hirer, here is chart is already given. Hiree means owner of the asset, or you can say seller of the goods, and hirer means user of the asset, or you can say buyer of the goods. So here is hiree means owner provide goods for use, and in return buyer have to pay installment. So when buyer pay full installment or last installment, then owner provide option to the user, clear, to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. So here is entire purchase price of the goods is to be paid in installment by the hirer. So for example, owner એ તમને કોઈ પણ goods rent base ઉપર આપ્યા હોય, clear, so buyer have to pay installment. So when specified number of installment are paid by hirer, title of goods, title no meaning શું થશે? Ownership can be transferred in hire purchase. Clear? What is basic difference between lease and hire purchase? In lease agreement, ownership is never transferred. Clear? Hire purchase, ownership can be transferred. Options should be provided to the hirer, clear, buyer. So purchase price of the goods is paid in terms of installment by the hirer, and hirer has the option to purchase goods after paying the full installment. So generally you have to keep in mind the purchase price of the goods. Generally તમે રેન્ટ બેઝ ઉપર લીધું હોય તો યુ હેવ ટુ પે રેન્ટ, ક્લિયર. સો સેમ વે purchase price of the goods is paid in terms of installment by the hirer. બાયરે કોઈ પણ અસેટ કે goods યુઝ કરવા માટે લીધું હોય તો buyer have to pay periodic fixed installment, but here is hirer means buyer has the option to purchase the goods. ગુડ્સ તમે પરચેઝ કરી શકો, ક્લિયર, પણ ક્યારે? આફ્ટર પેઇંગ ફૂલ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ, આફ્ટર પેઇંગ લાસ્ટ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ. જો બાયર બધા ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પે કરી દે તો એને ઓપ્શન આપવામાં આવે કે તમારે ગુડ્સ પરચેઝ કરી શકો એન્ડ યુ કેન બીકમ ઓનર. સો ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પેડ બાય હાયર ઇન્ક્લુઝિવ ઓફ પ્રિન્સિપલ અમાઉન્ટ એન્ડ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. જનરલી ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ કેવી રીતના ચાર્જ કરવામાં આવશે? which includes the principal plus interest amount. Clear? Principal amount એટલે total cost of the goods, total cost of the asset. Clear? So here is chart is given already. There are hire purchase. I again repeat, lease and hire purchase. Lease and hire purchase બંનેનો મીનિંગ થશે કે તમે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ રેન્ટ બેઝ ઉપર લ્યો. So lease means there are two parties, leaser and leasee. Clear? Leaser means owner of the asset and leasee means user of the asset. Leasee means user of the asset. Clear? So here same way hire purchase there are also two party, hiree and hirer. Clear? Hiree means owner of the asset and hirer means user of the asset. So hiree, which is also known as seller of goods, and hirer, which is also known as buyer of goods. Clear? What is basic difference between lease and hire purchase? We discuss in detail in today's lecture, but here is basic difference. In lease agreement, ownership is never transferred. Clear? It remain with the owner, leaser. But here is in hire purchase, ownership can be transferred, option can be provided by the hiree. After, generally option should be provided to the buyer after paying the full installment or after paying the last installment. Clear? So again, hire purchase is another method of acquiring capital asset for use. So same on lease, on hire purchase basis. Clear? So lease માં પણ તમારે rent આપવું પડે, same hire purchase માં you have to pay rent or installment. Whenever, for example, if you purchase any kind of asset, then it become costly, expensive. So that's why you have to acquired asset, obtain the capital asset, expensive asset on lease, either lease basis or hire purchase basis, without paying its price immediately. So generally તમે કોઈ પણ asset purchase કરો, expensive capital asset, clear, land and building, plant and machinery, then immediately you have to make large investment, large initial investment. Starting માં તમારે વધુ investment કરવું પડે whenever you purchase any kind of asset or goods, expensive goods. But when you acquired any kind of asset on lease or hire purchase basis, then initially you are not required to making large investment. Clear? So you have to just pay rent or periodic installment, so it become less expensive. Then under hire purchase arrangement, goods are let on hire. The user is allowed to pay purchase price in terms of installment. So initially there should be no requirement of large investment, you have to just pay installment, so it will be considered as a less expensive. So enjoy an option to purchase the goods after all the installment have been paid. So here is option should be, that is main point, that here is enjoy an option to purchase the goods after all the installment have been paid by the user. Clear? જ્યારે બાયર હોય એ બધા ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પે કરી દે સેલરને, ક્લિયર, તો seller provide option to the buyer, clear, to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. But kyare? After paying the full installment or after paying the last installment. Clear? So here is ownership. Generally here is ownership in the asset is passed on the hirer. One thing you have to keep in mind, two words, hiree and hirer. Clear? Hiree એટલે કોણ થશે? Seller, or you can say owner. And hirer no meaning શું થશે? User, or you can say buyer. Clear? Higher ownership in the asset is passed on to the hirer on the payment of the last installment. The amount and number of installment is fixed. Clear? At the time of delivering the asset to the hirer. So the terms and condition, basic rules and regulation which is mutually decided. There will be a mutual agreement contract between two parties, that is hiree and hirer. Clear? So if the hirer makes here is if the hirer means user, generally આમાં default થવાના chances કોના હોય? Buyer ના. Why? Because user, clear, buyer means user of the asset or user of the goods. So generally user have to pay installment. So there from their side, clear, there will be a chances of defaulters. Default means not able to pay installment amount. Clear? Default એટલે cannot able to pay installment amount. So it is if the hirer makes default in making payment of any installments. Clear? So here is the seller is entitled to recover the asset from the hirer. So you have to keep in mind, if there is any kind of default from the side of buyer, user. Clear? User એ શું pay કરવાનું હોય? Generally જે ઓનર છે એ અસેટ કે ગુડ્સ આપે યુઝ કરવા માટે બાયરને અથવા તો યુઝરને. ક્લિયર? તો યુઝરે ઇન રિટર્ન શું પે કરવાનું? ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ. હવે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, if there is any kind of default from the side of buyer, or you can say hirer, user. Clear? So seller have a right, authority to recover the asset from the hirer. So here is you have to just keep in mind there are two parties. Clear? So the hirer and hiree. So hirer may on his own also return the asset to hiree without any commitment to pay remaining installments. Then here is the buyer, or you can say hirer, makes initial payment. So generally under hire purchase system, seller agrees to sell the articles. Articles means product on the condition that buyer shall pay the purchase price through installment. બધું payment કેવી રીતના કરવાનું હશે? Purchase price through installment. So generally in hire purchase agreement, clear, buyer have to pay installment. The article is not legally sold to the buyer. Generally legally sales ના થયું હોય, પણ generally owner has to provide any kind of asset, expensive goods to the buyer. Clear? For using purpose. So it is the article is not legally sold. Generally options should be provided, but when? After paying the full installment or last installment. So the buyer or hirer makes initial payment called down payment. Down payment કોને કહેવાશે? Generally at the time of hire purchase. For example, if cost of asset is 1 lakh rupees, then 20% you have to make down payment. 1 lakh na 20% કેટલા થશે? 20,000. So 20,000 you have to pay at the time of delivery. એને શું કહેવાશે? Down payment or initial payment. Clear? So you have to keep in mind the buyer, or you can say hirer, makes initial payment called down payment જ્યારે તમે કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ થયો હોય, ડિલિવરી થઈ હોય. ક્લિયર? At the time of agreement between hirer and hiree, seller and buyer. ક્લિયર? જ્યારે સેલર અને બાયર વચ્ચે મ્યુચ્યુઅલી અગ્રીમેન્ટ થયું હોય, at the time you have to pay initial amount, that is down payment. 1 lakh ની cost of asset હોય, 1 lakhs ના goods હોય, તો 1 lakh ના 20%, for example 20,000 rupees you have to pay at the time of agreement. Clear? The balance amount due to vendor in installment together with interest. So generally remaining outstanding amount, for example 1 lakh na 20% means 20,000 તમારે ક્યારે પે કરી દેવાના? At the time of agreement. અને remaining 80,000 you have to pay in terms of installment. અને installment ની amount કેવી રીતના decide કરવામાં આવશે? Generally installment you have to decide, seller have to decide installment in such a way in which there should be included principal plus interest amount. Principal amount એટલે cost of the asset, which generally in installment ની amount કેવી રીતના decide કરવામાં આવે કે which covers the total cost of the asset, recover the total cost of the asset. Clear? Then here is generally ownership in the goods is transferred from seller to buyer only on payment of last installment. Again you have to keep in mind ownership ક્યારે ટ્રાન્સફર થશે? ઓનરશિપ ક્યારે ટ્રાન્સફર થશે હાયર પરચેઝમાં? જ્યારે બાયર લાસ્ટ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પે કરી દે પછી જ ઓનરશિપ ટ્રાન્સફર થશે. ક્લિયર? Then if the buyer default to pay installment amount, the goods will be repossessed by the seller. અને જો buyer for example installment pay ના કરે, clear, generally whenever you acquired asset or goods on hire purchase basis, clear, તો બાયરે શું પે કરવાનું હોય? ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ. હવે જો બાયર ડિફોલ્ટ થાય, ડિફોલ્ટ એટલે કે not able to pay installment amount, તો seller શું કરશે? goods will be repossessed by the seller. So hire purchase types of business is usually carried on in case of durable goods, consumer articles, durable goods like sewing machine, television, dessert coolers, refrigerator, જેવા expensive goods છે. Clear? So you have to acquire on hire purchase basis. If the purchaser means purchaser એટલે hirer or buyer makes default the payment of installment, the seller can back the possession, repossess of the goods. Simple. Just you have to keep in mind there is a contract or agreement between two parties. Clear? Hirer and hiree. Hiree નો meaning શું થશે? seller. અને hirer નો meaning શું થશે? buyer. Clear? Here is ownership can be transferred, title can be transferred, but when buyer pay the last installment or full installment, જો buyer બધા installment pay કરી દે તો seller have to provide option to the buyer to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. seller option આપશે buyer ને જ્યારે બધા installment pay થઈ જાય buyer side થી. clear? So seller have to provide option to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. So process is given. So the seller purchase the asset from the supplier or manufacturer and hire it to hirer who is required to make cash down payments. So generally here is hiree purchase the asset from manufacturer. Clear? Simple. Seller એટલે કોણ થશે? owner. Clear? hiree. So hirer have to purchase asset from the manufacturer. Clear? And making down payment, say for example 20 to 25% of the cost of asset. Down payment એટલે initial payment at the time of delivery. 1 lakh ની cost હોય તો 20,000 you have to pay at the time of contract, at the time of agreement. Clear? So first, clear, hiree have to purchase asset from the manufacturer. Simple. You have to keep in mind that seller have to purchase asset from the manufacturer. તમારે બીજાને રેન્ટ ઉપર આપવી હોય વસ્તુ તો પહેલા ઓનરે પરચેસ કરવી પડે ને from the manufacturer. Clear? supplier. Second stage, the balance of cost of price of the asset with interest thereon is payable in equated monthly installment. Generally, for example, here is seller have to provide asset to the buyer. Clear? So buyer have to initially pay 20 to 25% at the time of agreement. Then balance amount, remaining, balance એટલે remaining amount will be paid on in terms of EMIs. Here is equated monthly installment. Clear? Either in advance or in arrears over predetermined periods. So generally seller first stage, તમારે કોકને અસેટ રેન્ટ બેઝ ઉપર આપવી તો પહેલા તમારે પરચેસ કરવી પડે ફ્રોમ ધી સપ્લાયર. ક્લિયર? સો ટુ ધી હાયરર, generally seller have to purchase asset from the supplier and provide to the hirer. So here is hirer who is required to make down payment 20 to 25%. So hirer generally પહેલા તો seller purchase કરે simple asset. Clear? Simply seller first have to purchase asset from the supplier. પછી કોને આપશે? hirer ને. Clear? હવે hirer at the time of agreement કેટલું પેમેન્ટ કરી દેવાનું? 20 to 25%. એટલે hirer એટલે કોણ થશે? buyer. અને hiree એટલે કોણ થશે? seller. તો hirer હશે ઈ કેટલા? for example cost of asset is 1 lakh rupees. Clear? cost of asset is 1 lakh rupees. તો એના 20% એટલે કેટલું થશે? 20,000. તો હાયરીને કેટલું પેમેન્ટ કરી દેશે ફર્સ્ટ સ્ટેજમાં? 20,000. હવે બેલેન્સ એટલે રિમેઇનિંગ અમાઉન્ટ. હવે વધી કેટલી? 80,000 રૂપીસ. 1 લાખની કોસ્ટ હતી સે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ. એમાં 20% ક્યારે પે કરી દીધા? એટ ધ ટાઈમ ઓફ ડિલિવરી. ક્લિયર? એટલે હાયરર હશે ઈ હાયરર એટલે કોણ થશે? બાયર. તો ઈ બાયર સેલરને કેટલું પેમેન્ટ કરી દેશે? ડાઉન પેમેન્ટ, ઇનિશિયલ પેમેન્ટ 20,000. So balance of the cost price of asset with interest is payable in equated monthly installments. Clear? Third one, in place of cash down payment, fixed deposit is required to be made with the seller and entire amount of cost is recovered through EMIs. Clear? Then fourth one, generally amount of deposit with accumulated interest is returned to hirer on the payment of last. Sometimes તમારે down payment ની જગ્યાએ શું કરવાનું હોય? Fixed deposit is required. Clear? Sometimes initial payment ની બદલે instead of initial payment or cash down payment, clear, you have to maintain fixed deposit with the seller. Clear? Fourth one, each installment comprise કોઈ પણ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ હશે એમાં બે વસ્તુ ઇન્ક્લુડેડ હશે. ક્લિયર? that is installment includes cost of asset means principal plus interest. તમારે ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ ની, તમે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓનર હોય કે સેલર હો તો તમારે ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ કેવી રીતના ડિસાઈડ કરવાનું? which covers the total cost of the asset plus interest. Then here is fifth one, the hirer is entitled to terminate the hire purchase contract by giving due notice to the seller. For example, here is buyer have also right authority to terminate or to cancel the contract. Clear? Then hire purchase transaction is to be distinguished from installment payment sale. In latter case, ownership in the asset is passed on the user on payment of the first installment is itself. So moreover, the buyer does not enjoy the right of termination of the agreement before making payment of the all installment. So it is hire purchase. Generally hire purchase માં ownership ક્યારે transfer થાય? At the payment, after payment of last installment. જ્યારે buyer બધા full installment pay કરી દે ત્યારે ownership or title can be transferred. But here is in installment payment sale, generally ownership in the asset is passed on to the seller on payment of first installment itself. Generally installment payment sale is also one kind of transactions, clear, in which ownership is directly transferred, but here it is different from the hire purchase. Clear? So you have to just remember that in hire purchase, initially you have to pay 20 to 25% to the seller. Simple hire purchase transaction માં buyer down payment, initial payment કેટલું કરવાનું? 20 to 25% અને remaining balance, outstanding balance. For example, 1 lakh ની cost of asset હોય તો એમાં 25%, 1 lakh ની cost છે asset ની, for example, તેમાંથી 20% at the time of agreement, down payment. Clear? એટલે 20,000 જ્યારે તમારે અગ્રીમેન્ટ થયું હોય, કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ થયો હોય, at the time of delivery ત્યારે જ પે કરી દેવાનું. Remaining 80,000 balance you have to pay in terms of equated monthly installment, EMI. Clear? EMI, equated monthly installment. So this is only introductory part. Here is essential clause rules, clear, of hire purchase system. Essential clauses, or you can say rules and regulations. So first one, nature of the agreements. So this clause will contain the purchase of agreement. Clear? So there is agreement or contract between two parties. Clear? Hirer and hiree. So you want to, there are nature of agreement, purpose of the agreement. Clear? Purpose, nature means here is purpose, objective. Clear? So you want to buy a television, the nature of agreement, purpose will be personal use. તમારો કોઈ પણ તમે asset કે goods લ્યો તો એનો તમારો objective શું છે? For example, if you want to buy television, then your objective is personal use. Clear? If you are buying machinery for the business, then nature of agreement, nature no meaning શું થશે? Purpose, objective. Clear? So your nature of agreement will be commercial. તમે ટેલિવિઝન પરચેસ કરો તો તમારો ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ શું હોય? યોર પર્સનલ યુઝ. ક્લિયર? બટ if you purchase machineries, technology, then your nature, your objective is commercial purpose. This clause also define commencement and termination. Generally આ એગ્રીમેન્ટમાં શું ડિસાઇડ કરવામાં આવે? commencement of the agreement. commencement એટલે starting date, clear, starting period, start. commencement starting of the agreement and termination. termination એટલે cancel, clear. if buyer become defaulter, then seller have a right to terminate the contract agreement, terminate, cancel the contract and repossess the asset. Then this clause will also contain payment detail, how often to pay, amount to pay, when to pay, name and address of the owner. શું એમાં included હશે? તો કે contain payment details, clear, amount to pay, when to pay, where to pay, how much to pay, clear, name and address of the owner. So second one, delivery of goods. Delivery of goods. Generally there are simple rules and regulations. This is only introductory part, clear. Date, time and place of the delivery of goods, that will be decided in this clause, rules and regulations. This clause also define hirer's responsibility to pay for the delivery charges. hirer એટલે કોણ થશે? buyer, clear. Third one, risk clauses. risk એટલે for example, if in case of any damage, clear, to the goods, hirer owes the full responsibility. કોઈ પણ રિપેર, મેન્ટેનન્સ, ક્લિયર, ડેમેજ થાય તો રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી કોની રહેશે? હિયર ઇઝ હાયરર, ક્લિયર. હાયરર એટલે કોણ થશે? બાયર હેવ a full responsibility for such damage. hirer should get it repaired at his own cost, clear. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનું રિસ્ક હોય, રિપેર હોય, મેન્ટેનન્સ હોય, ડેમેજ થાય, ક્લિયર, તમે કોઈ પણ ગુડ્સ લીધા હોય હાયર પરચેસ બેસિસ અને એમાં કોઈ પણ પ્રકારનું ડેમેજ થાય, રિપેર કરાવવાની જરૂર પડે, ક્લિયર, અપડેટ કરાવવાની જરૂર પડે, ઇન્સ્ટોલેશન કરાવવાની જરૂર પડે, તો એ બધી રેસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી કોની રહેશે? બાયર, ક્લિયર, હાયરર. સો ઓલ ટાઈપ ઓફ એક્સપેન્સ પેઇડ બાય ધી બાયર. Then here is an explanation of the rights of hirer and the owners, clear. So here is with regard to rights of hirer, rights such as right of termination. Right means power, authority. Right no meaning શું થશે અહીંયા? right, RIGHT, right means power, or you can say authority. So terminate the contract means contract cancel પણ કરી શકે, clear. hirer, here is with regard to right of the hirer. hirer એટલે કોણ થશે? buyer. buyer ના શું authority ને power છે અને owner ના શું authority and power છે, clear. this is all about. so here is right of the hirer. hirer એટલે buyer. buyer નો શું right છે? power છે, authority, તો કે right of terminations, clear. buyer have a right, that is right of termination. and owners નો શું right છે? right to repossess, clear, right to repossess or termination. તો બંને સાઈડ થી કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ કેન્સલ થઈ શકવાના ચાન્સીસ છે, ક્લિયર. બાયર એન્ડ ઓનર, હાયરર એન્ડ ઓનર. then the charges, how much it cost you to borrow, by adding finance for the number of month, booking fee, maintenance, repair, insurance required by the finance company, other charges such as credit check fee. so it is generally you have to pay generally installment amount, clear. installment માં બધું include થઈ ગયું હશે. principal amount, cost of the asset plus interest amount, clear. then here is just only introduction. so here is hire purchase means transaction where goods are purchased and sold on the terms, that is payment will be made in terms of installment, clear. so you have to keep in mind the basic terms and condition, clear. basic terms and conditions. so payment will be made in terms of installment. the possession of goods is given to buyer immediately, clear. then here is ownership in the goods remain with the vendor. vendor એટલે seller till the last installment is paid. so simple, there is agreement between two parties, hirer and hiree. so hirer have generally hiree have to provide goods or asset to the hirer, clear. hiree એટલે કોણ થશે? owner. અને hirer એટલે કોણ થશે? buyer, clear. so the possession of goods is given to buyer immediately. અને ownership ક્યારે ટ્રાન્સફર થઈ શકશે? only after paying the last installment or full installment. Then seller can repossess the goods in case of default in payment of any installment. For example, seller એ કોઈ પણ goods આપ્યા હોય buyer ને અને જો buyer installment pay ના કરી શકે, if buyer become defaulter, clear, then seller have a right authority to repossess the goods. Each installment rate hire purchase till last installment is paid. ક્લિયર. તમને ઓનરશિપ લીગલ ટાઇટલ તો ક્યારે ટ્રાન્સફર થશે? જો બાયર ફૂલ બધા ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પેમેન્ટ કરી દે ત્યારે. ક્લિયર. સો યુ હેવ ટુ જસ્ટ રિમેમ્બર બેઝિક ટર્મ્સ, ધેટ ઇઝ there are two parties, hirer and hiree. Hiree એટલે કોણ થશે? ઓનર, or you can say seller. hirer એટલે કોણ થશે? buyer or user. buyer payment કેવી રીતના કરશે? through installment. clear. then if buyer become defaulter, then seller have a right to repossess, to terminate the contract or repossess the asset. Clear. Again, simple features of the hire purchase, you have to just remember features of the hire purchase. So the payment here is, the payment is to be made by the hirer is to the hiree, usually the vendor. vendor no meaning શું થશે? simple seller, in installment over specified period of time. So you have to just remember pay installments. clear. payment કેવી રીતના કરશે buyer seller ને? through installment. clear. equated monthly installment, EMI. the possession of goods transferred buyer immediately, simple, we already discussed. the property in the goods remain with the hiree till the last installment is payment. So જ્યાં સુધી બાયર લાસ્ટ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ કે ફૂલ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પેમેન્ટ ના કરી દે ત્યાં સુધી ઓનરશિપ કોની પાસે રહેશે? હાયરી, સેલર પાસે, વેન્ડર પાસે. ક્લિયર. the ownership passes to buyer when he pays all installment. you have to keep in mind ownership ક્યારે પાસ થશે? only when buyer pays all installment. જ્યારે બાયર બધા ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પેમેન્ટ કરી દે ત્યારે જ ઓનરશિપ ટ્રાન્સફર થશે. ક્લિયર. hiree or the vendor can repossess the goods in case of default. હવે default થાય, for example buyer એ શું પે કરવાનું હોય? ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ. જો buyer કે user ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પેમેન્ટ ના કરી શકે, in case of default from the side of buyer, then seller have a right, clear, hiree have a right to cancel the contract and repossess the goods, repossess the asset. Clear. then installment in hire purchase include interest as well as repayment of principal. installment માં કઈ બે વસ્તુ ઇન્ક્લુડ થયેલી હશે? interest plus principal amount. કોઈ પણ સિમ્પલ છે, તમે કોઈ પણ અસેટ હોય એનું ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ કેવી રીતના ડિસાઈડ કરો? કે which recover the total cost of the asset. ક્લિયર. તમે બીજાને આપવું હોય રેન્ટ ઉપર તો તમે રેન્ટની અમાઉન્ટ કેવી રીતના ડિસાઈડ કરશો? which cover the total cost of the asset. so hiree charge interest on flat rate, simple rate. clear. so our most important question that is continuously asked in Saurashtra University. clear. difference between lease and hire purchase. so let's start. this is અત્યાર સુધી જે કર્યું એ બધું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન ટાઈપ હતું. ક્લિયર. so here is let's start with the very first one, that is lease and hire purchase. so in lease બંનેનો મીનિંગ તો શું થશે? કે કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ રેન્ટ ઉપર લેવી. ક્લિયર. lease. so ownership lies, here is lies means remain. ક્લિયર. કોની પાસે રહેશે ownership? so ownership lies with the leaser. lease agreement, there are two party, leaser and leasee. in lease agreement ownership is never transferred. the leasee has a right to use the equipment. ownership is never transferred to the leasee. you have to keep in mind ownership is never transferred in lease agreement. clear. but in hire purchase, whereas in hire purchase in hire purchase also there are two party, hirer and hiree. I repeat, hiree નો મીનિંગ શું થશે? ઓનર અથવા તો સેલર, અને hirer નો મીનિંગ શું થશે? યુઝર ઓર બાયર. so hirer has the option to purchase and hire become owner of the asset immediately after paying the last installment. so here is hirer become, clear, hirer means buyer have a option after paying the last installment. ક્લિયર, ફૂલ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ. જો બધા ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પે કરી દે બાયર તો એને ઓપ્શન આપવામાં આવે કે યુ હેવ ટુ option to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. Clear? Then second one, depreciation. So in lease finance, the depreciation is claimed as the expense in the books of leaser. Clear? So generally depreciation means decrease the value of asset. So lease finance ma depreciation is claimed as the expense of the books of leaser. Depreciation kya લખવામાં આવશે? In the books of leaser. Clear? And on other hand, depreciation claim is allowed to hirer. Generally depreciation, clear, that will be allowed to the hirer. So hirer એટલે buyer in case of hire purchase transactions. Clear? So depreciation generally lease ma owner claim as a generally કોની books માં લખવામાં આવશે? leaser ની book માં. Clear? As a expense. And here is depreciation generally claim is allowed to the hirer, means buyer. Clear? Then rental payments. So lease rental cover the total using of the asset. Normally it is derived with the cost of an asset over the asset life. So generally rental payment, rent ni amount કેવી રીતના ડિસાઇડ કરવામાં આવે? which cover the total cost of the asset. જેટલાની કોસ્ટ હોય, ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 1 લાખ રૂપિયાની કોસ્ટ હોય તો તમે રેન્ટ કેવી રીતના ડિસાઇડ કરો? which cover the total cost of the asset. In case of hire purchase, installment inclusive principal plus interest. Installment માં શું include કરવામાં આવે? Here is principal amount plus interest for the time period the asset is utilized. Clear? So generally કોઈ પણ installment amount હોય which is inclusive, included principal means cost of the asset plus interest. Clear? Then duration and magnitude. Duration means time period. So generally lease agreement are done for longer duration. Lease agreement કેટલા period માટેનો હશે? Longer period, 2 years, 3 years. Clear? And for the bigger asset, asset કેવી હશે? Expensive, like aircraft, ships, land and property. Clear? Land and building, plant and machinery. Generally hire purchase agreement are done for shorter duration. Time period કેવો હશે? Short duration, like 3 month, 4 month, 6 month. Clear? And cheaper asset, asset કેવી હશે? Less expensive. Cheaper એટલે less expensive અને bigger means more expensive. Clear? Here is cheaper means less expensive, less expensive asset like car, machineries. Clear? Then tax aspect. So lease agreement, total lease rental are shown as expenditure by the leasee. So generally leasee have to pay as the expenditure by the leasee. So generally leasee have to pay rent to the leaser. So in lease agreement there is a, we already know there is a contract, leaser and leasee. So here is lease rental are shown as expenditure. leasee એ શું પે કરવાનું હોય? rent. તો rent શું કહેવાશે? expenditure. Clear? Then hire purchase, hirer claim the depreciation of asset as an expense. So hirer generally have to all type of expense. Clear? We already discussed that all type of expense, damage, repair, maintenance paid by the hirer. Clear? So depreciation claim is the expense. Then repair and maintenance. Repair and maintenance of the asset in financial lease is the responsibility of leasee. હવે જો આમાં financial lease and operating lease. Clear? Here is financial lease and here is operating lease. હવે repair and maintenance ની financial we already discussed. Financial means long term lease. Clear? Here is in financial lease, risk and reward transferred to the leasee. But in operating lease, risk and reward cannot be transferred. So all type of expense paid by the leaser. So generally here is repair and maintenance of the asset in financial lease is the responsibility of leasee. કોની responsibility રહેશે? leasee. But in the operating lease it is the responsibility of leaser. Clear? You one thing you have to, we already discussed these types, financial lease and operating lease in previous lecture. Clear? Financial lease માં બધી responsibility કોની રહેશે? repair, maintenance, installation. Clear? leasing. And અને ઓપરેટિંગ લીઝમાં બધી સર્વિસ કોણ આપશે? લીઝર. રિપેર, મેન્ટેનન્સ, તો એ લોકોની રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી રહેશે લીઝર. ઇન હાયર પરચેઝ ધ રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી રિમેઇન વિથ ધી, કોની રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી રહેશે? હાયરર. રિપેર કે મેન્ટેનન્સની જરૂર હોય, કાંઈ ઇન્સ્ટોલેશન, ક્લિયર, અપડેટ કરવાની કઈ જરૂર પડે, ઇન્સ્ટોલેશન, તો બધી રિપેર મેન્ટેનન્સ કઈ ડેમેજ થાય તો બધી રિસ્પોન્સિબિલિટી કોની રહેશે? બાયર, મીન્સ હાયરર. Then extent of finance. Here is lease financing can be called the complete financing option in which no down payments are required. Lease finance માં generally there should be no down payment. એક તો ડાઉન પેમેન્ટનો મીનિંગ શું થાય? ઇનિશિયલ પેમેન્ટ. ક્લિયર? 1 લાખની કોસ્ટ હોય તો 20% યુ હેવ ટુ પે એટ ધ ટાઈમ ઓફ ડિલિવરી. એટલે કોઈ પણ અસેટ હોય એનું ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ 1 લાખ રૂપીસ પ્રાઇસ હોય, ગુડ્સ હોય ને 1 લાખ રૂપીસ પ્રાઇસ હોય, તો 20,000 તમારે ક્યારે પે કરી દેવાનું? એટ ધ ટાઈમ ઓફ ડિલિવરી. એને શું કહેવાશે? ડાઉન પેમેન્ટ. પણ લીઝમાં તમારે જસ્ટ યુ હેવ ટુ પે પિરિયોડિક રેન્ટ. There should be no any kind of down payment. Then here is in case of hire purchase, clear, in case of hire purchase normally 20 to 25% margin money is required, paid upfront by the hirer, therefore we call is partial finance like loans. So we already discussed આમાં તમારે 20 to 25% you have to make down payment, initial payment. down payment એટલે initial payment, starting માં જે તમારે payment કરવું પડે. 1 lakh હોય તો 20,000 at the time of delivery, remaining 80,000 you have to pay in terms of installment. Clear? So in hire purchase there should be 20 to 25% requirement as a down payment or initial payment, and balance amount, remaining amount, outstanding amount you have to pay in terms of installment. Clear? Then this is the difference between lease and hire purchase. Another difference is given if you want to read. Clear? Another, that is hire purchasing meaning simple. There are two party in hire purchase, hiree and hirer. Clear? Hirer, which is known as user, and hiree means seller or owner. So deal in which one party can use the asset of other party for the payment of equated monthly installment. અને buyer ને શું પે કરવાનું હોય? EMI. Clear? Equated monthly installment. So leasing meaning we already know. There are two party, leaser and leasee. Clear? Leaser have to provide asset and leasee in return have to pay periodic rent, which is also known as lease rental. Governing accounting standards. So there is no specific standard in hire purchase, but there will be a leasing is all about accounting standard 19. Clear? Then here is down payment is required in lease agreement. Clear? In hire purchase. First શું છે? આ સેકન્ડ ડિફરન્સ છે. ફર્સ્ટ ડિફરન્સ ઓલરેડી કમ્પ્લીટ. ક્લિયર? another extra difference આપેલો છે hire purchase and leasing. So first one, hire purchase માં down payment is required. Here is no required. Down payment means initial payment. If your cost of asset is 1 lakh, then 20,000 you have to pay at the time of delivery. So 20% શું કહેવાશે? down payment, initial payment. Clear? ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટમાં હાયર પરચેઝમાં પ્રિન્સિપાલ પ્લસ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ. પ્રિન્સિપાલ એટલે કોસ્ટ ઓફ અસેટ પ્લસ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ એન્ડ કોસ્ટ ઓફ યુઝિંગ અસેટ. રેન્ટની અમાઉન્ટ કેવી રીતના ડિસાઇડ કરવામાં આવે? which recover the total cost of the asset. હાયર પરચેઝમાં કેવી આઇટમ હશે? લેસ એક્સપેન્સિવ. ક્લિયર? લાઈક શોર્ટર પીરિયડ ઓફ ટાઈમ, કાર, ટ્રક, લોરીઝ. એન્ડ લીઝમાં કેવી હશે? એક્સપેન્સિવ, લેન્ડ એન્ડ બિલ્ડિંગ પ્રોપર્ટી. ક્લિયર? Ownership of the asset is transferred to the hire purchase on the payment of, one thing you have to keep in mind, ownership of the asset is transferred to the hire purchaser on the payment of last installment. જ્યારે તમે last installment pay કરી દો hire purchase માં, તો ownership transfer થવાનો ઓપ્શન આપવામાં આવશે. ક્લિયર? બટ here is ownership depends on the types of lease. Majority ownership is never transferred in lease agreement. Clear? So responsibility here is repair, maintenance. The responsibility કોની રહેશે? hire purchaser means buyer. Clear? hire purchaser એટલે કોણ થશે? buyer or hirer. Depends on the types of lease. Consideration. So consideration means money. Clear? Amount. consideration in terms of money. So initial payment plus installment. કન્સિડરેશન એટલે યુ હેવ ટુ પે મની, ક્લિયર. સો એમાં તમારે પેમેન્ટ કેવી રીતના કે 20% ડાઉન પેમેન્ટ એન્ડ રિમેનિંગ અમાઉન્ટ ઇન ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ, ક્લિયર. એટલે ઇનિશિયલ પેમેન્ટ પ્લસ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ. અને લીઝમાં તમારે મની કેવી રીતના પે, કન્સિડરેશનનો મીનિંગ શું થશે? સમથિંગ ઇન રિટર્ન. કન્સિડરેશન મીન્સ સમથિંગ ઇન રિટર્ન, એટલે મની તમારે કેવી રીતના, તમને કોઈ અસેટ યુઝ કરવા આપે તો એના કન્સિડરેશનમાં તમારે ઇન રિટર્ન તમારે શું આપવું પડે? મની, clear. So you have to pay just release rental, periodic rent. Time duration is shorter period of time, and here is comparatively long term, clear. So this is the difference, basic difference. Two differences given, clear. You have to make combined difference and you have to write 10 to 12 points. બે અલગ અલગ ડિફરન્સ આપેલા છે, ક્લિયર. બંને તમારે કમ્બાઇન્ડ પોઈન્ટ્સ કરીને you have to make one question, clear. Then I again repeat, what is basic difference between lease and hire purchase? Lease, there are two party, leasee and leaser, clear. There are two party, leaser and leasee. Leaser is owner of the asset and leasee is user of the asset, clear. Then in hire purchase there are two party, hirer and hiree. Hiree means owner of the asset and hirer means buyer, user of the asset, clear. So what is basic difference? In lease generally is for longer period of time and expensive goods. Hire purchase is for shorter period of time and less expensive goods. In lease agreement ownership is never transferred, but in hire purchase when buyer pay last installment, full installment, then option should be provided to the buyer to purchase the asset and become owner of the asset. પણ ઓનરશિપ ટ્રાન્સફર ક્યારે થાય હાયર પરચેઝમાં? જ્યારે બાયર ફૂલ ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ, બધા ઇન્સ્ટોલમેન્ટ પેમેન્ટ કરી દે પછી, ક્લિયર. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ બેઝિક ક્વેશ્ચન ડિફરન્સ બિટવીન લીઝિંગ એન્ડ હાયર પરચેઝ, ક્લિયર. From next lecture we are going to start about unit number 4, that is venture capital and credit rating, clear. આ યુનિટમાં તમારે ત્રણ ક્વેશ્ચન પ્રિપેર કરવાના. First one, types of lease. Second one, advantage and disadvantage of lease. And third question, difference between leasing and hire purchase, clear. Interest, installment, આમાં સમ આવશે જે આપણે લાસ્ટમાં કરશું, clear. Thank you all. And if you have any doubts or query, then you can message me. Thank you.